Okay, children, so we continue with the chapter. Hopefully, you have just read till the plateaus. Okay, we're coming now to the Thar Desert. Okay, as the word suggests, Thar Desert is all about the desert, very important desert of our country, Great Indian Desert. Okay, also called as Thar Desert. It is located in the northwest part of Aravalli Ranges. Okay, Aravalli Hills का northwest में है. This desert acts as a natural boundary, yes, between India and Pakistan. In India, the Thar Desert covers about 320 kilometers. That forms about 10% of the total geographic area of the country. It lies mostly in Rajasthan and extends to some parts of Haryana, Punjab, and run of Kutch in Gujarat. Thar is the 9th largest in the world, desert in the world. It has partly rocky and partly sandy region. They have given you the image on the top, but if you just have a Google done, you can get to see the image more better. It's sand dunes. Okay, now these are supposed to be called as sand dunes. These are like the sand dunes. Okay, so basically you have a lot of sand dunes in the Thar. Is an undulating landscape. I mean, it's a beautiful thing to see a sand dune. Actually, it is seasonally drained by the Luni River. कभी-कभी ये Thar Desert में पानी होता है because of Luni River. India's largest saltwater lake Sambhar is located in the Thar Desert. You can't call it as Sambar, okay? It is called as Sambhar. Another important lake in this region is called as a Pushkar Lake. Pushkar lake is very, very famous. Rajasthan में sightseeing का जगह है. The desert is also dotted, okay? It's dotted with oasis. Oasis का मतलब होता है green patch. You call it in the desert region. जहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी होता है, greenery होता है. Such as the oasis near Jodhpur. The Indira Gandhi Canal or the Rajasthan Canal supplies water to the desert from the Satluj. This canal provides drinking water and support irrigation also. So Rajasthan also is getting a lot of water because of Satluj and because of the Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay. Coming down to the coastal. Coastal हमारा है, we have coastal region which is Arabian Sea to Bay of Bengal. Combined दोनों का है 5,700 kilometers. Width इसका है 150 to 250 kilometers. Kanyakumari is a meeting point of the east and the west coast. एकदम भी you can say that is the end of our border. Okay. Western coastal plain. This plain extends from Gujarat coast to the Kerala coast. Lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Okay. Divided into Kutch and Kathiawad coast in Gujarat, Konkan in Maharashtra. नीचे जाओगे Goan coast होता है. थोड़ा और नीचे जाओगे तो Malabar coast which is in Kerala. ठीक है. Now what is this coast basically made up of? This plain is narrow. मतलब हमारा जो वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन है वो थोड़ा नैरो है, पतला है, रॉकी है एंड रग्ड है इन नेचर, रफ. इट टेपर्स इन द मिडल एंड वाइडन्स इन द नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न पार्ट्स. मतलब यहाँ पे थोड़ा टफ है, थोड़ा बड़ा है, पतला होता है, वापस वो बड़ा हो जाता है. ठीक है. Coast along the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat in Gujarat are the broadest parts. Okay, its concave shape makes it suitable for building harbors and ports. इसके लिए maximum port right from Gujarat to Kerala. क्योंकि you can say the coastal is being built in such a way naturally. So you have a harbor and the port. Khandala in Gujarat, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Nhava Sheva in Mumbai, Marmagaon in Goa, Cochin in Kerala are some of the important ports. Ports are those places जहाँ पे ships आके halt करते हैं, loading unloading करते हैं. Harbor वो होता है जहाँ पे ships are anchored, वहाँ पे the ship is being taken care of. The Nhava Sheva is India's biggest, जो हमारा मुंबई में है, commercial port in the western coastal plain. ठीक है. Nhava Sheva सबसे बड़ा है. Offshore oil drilling in the Konkan coast is a major economic activity here. The khayals or backwaters are the most distinguishing feature of the western coastal plain. If you have gone down to Kerala, if you have visited the backwaters का दूसरा नाम है khayals. Okay, दोनों साइड बैंक्स है, बीच में पानी है, बोट हाउसेस होते हैं. Oh, it's awesome. ये खाली हमारा वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन में दिखाई देता है. They lie parallel to the Malabar coast. They comprise lagoons which are interconnected by canals. These khayals are also used for fishing and navigation. Yes. एंड वहाँ पे अगर फ्लड हो जाएगा ना तो वो तो बैंक वैंक सब एक ही जैसा हो जाता है. सो इट हैज टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. कचरा नहीं जमना चाहिए इनसाइड द लगून्स. कमिंग टू ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन, दे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेस्ट बंगाल टू द तमिलनाडु. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Divided into the Northern Sarkars in the north and the Coromandel coast in the south. Okay, it is broader than the Western coastal plain. So when you will be doing map work, you have to draw the coastal plains in such a way कि एक साइड थोड़ा पतला है वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन थोड़ा ब्रॉड. इट इंक्लूड्स द डेल्टास ऑफ द महानदी, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी. हमने बोला था ना जो रिवर्स यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है वो कहाँ जाके ड्रेन करता है, बे ऑफ बंगाल में. तो यहाँ पे ये चारों रिवर्स का डेल्टा रहता है. फाइन. एंड यू हैव बिग बिग लेक्स कॉल्ड एज द चिल्का लेक एंड द पलिकट लेक. Chennai, Visakhapatnam and Kolkata are the main ports here. Not much to speak about the eastern side. Islands, हमारा दो important islands. Andaman Nicobar Island lie in the Bay of Bengal. This island consists of about 572 isles. छोटे छोटे islands. Andaman Nicobar Island located 6 degree to 14 degree north latitude and 92 degree to 94 east longitude. ठीक है, मतलब खाली 2 लॉन्गिट्यूड में ही वो पूरा आ जाता है. द 10 डिग्री चैनल डिवाइड्स आइलैंड्स इनटू 2 ग्रुप्स, द अंडमान इन द नॉर्थ एंड द निकोबार इन द साउथ. मतलब कितने पतले पतले हैं उन लोग, और वहाँ हम लोग घूमने के लिए भी जाते हैं. दीज आइलैंड्स आर सबमर्ज्ड फोल्ड माउंटेन्स. दे आर ऑल नथिंग बट योर फोल्ड माउंटेन्स. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर कवर्ड विद डेंस फॉरेस्ट, दो सम आर ट्रीलेस, such as the barren island. Barren island का मतलब कि क्या होता है? barren, कुछ है ही नहीं. It is only active volcano in India and small scale agriculture is practiced here. Coming to the next one, Lakshadweep जो Arabian Sea में है. See बच्चे लोग, more than understanding the names, it is very important to understand कि तुम्हारा इंडिया का physical features क्या है. Okay, so you need to know where Andaman Nicobar Island is, where Lakshadweep is, okay, where the Deccan Plateau is. So you cannot write anything wrong. If you write anything wrong or understand anything wrong, then you will not even know which place is where. Then things become really worst. तो हमारा इंडिया का है तो फिजिकल फीचर्स वाला मैप साथ में रखो और पढ़ो, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. लक्षद्वीप लोकेटेड ऑलमोस्ट 280 to 480 किलोमीटर ऑफ द मलबार कोस्ट. मतलब केरला से तुमको लक्षद्वीप जा सकते हो. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 12 atolls, 3 reefs and 5 submerged banks. Wow, with a total of 35 islands and islets. Islets मतलब पानी अंदर ही जाता है. Minicoy is the largest island here. Lakshadweep Island composed of coral deposits. So beautiful it must be looking, no? Most of the beaches form temporarily when gust of winds deposits stony particles along their shores. मतलब वहाँ पे basically beaches वैसा बनता नहीं है. अगर wind ने आके stones डाल दिया तो beaches बनता है, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं बनता है. Most of the people in Lakshadweep practice agriculture. Okay, so with that we have actually completed the chapter comparative analysis of major relief features of India दिया हम लोग ने. Okay, ठीक है, you can just go through that, not an issue. Fine, chapter is done, easy chapter. Fine. Yes, as I repeat again, a lot of names to remember, a lot of numbers to remember. So you have to basically know this chapter for your objective type. ठीक है? And if there is any doubt, we are always there to solve it. Till then, take care. Bye.